Section 5.3.2, we're looking at the change of base formula. So if I have a logarithm and I can change that base and rewrite it as any base I want. So I have an a here. I mean, that could also be log base 10 of m over log base 10 of the base b. So I can rewrite that as any log I want. I can also use the natural log, so I don't have to use a base there at all. So this is, I guess it looks like a log 1. Try to erase that little guy. And the advantage of this is, remember back to when we were using a calculator to calculate logs, we were only able to use log base 10 and then the natural log, then log base e. So if I have something like a log base 4 or a log base 7.2, I wasn't able to use a calculator to calculate that. So with the change of base formula, I can either use the common log or the natural log. The calculator has both those logs, so I could use either one, because I can convert the base that I'm given to either the common log or the natural log by using this formula. And you can use either formula, it absolutely makes no difference. Well, the difference is that you have to be consistent. If you use log base 10 and 1, you have to, in the denominator, you have to use in the numerator as well. And it makes a difference of which button you push on the calculator. Okay, let's do a couple examples. And again, I said that natural log or common log, you can use either one. So let's do one with the common log and at least one with the natural log. So for example, let's see. So I'm going to scroll up so we can still have our formulas to convert to the common log and the natural log. And I'll look at a here. Let's go to the common log on this one. So I'm going to rewrite this one as a log base 10 of 19 over the log base 10 of 4. And I'm going to just punch that into the calculator. Before I do, though, I'm going to show you how it can also be natural log. So this one for b, I can rewrite that as ln of 2.5. So that's log base e of 2.5 and log base e of 7.2. So here I'm changing to a base of e. Here I'm changing to a base of 10. And it doesn't matter which one. I could have swapped them. I could have done natural log for a and log for b and so forth. For c, again, let's just do natural log again. It's less letters to write. Really doesn't matter. So there's my c, and then I want to grab my calculator to calculate all three of these. So you'll need your scientific calculator, so you get either the natural log or the common log. As long as you have one of them, that's good enough. So for a, we decided to use the common log, so we're going to use this button here at the log. So we go log of 19, close your parentheses, and it's extra important to have parentheses around the 19 right now because I don't want it to think that the log is, I'm taking the log of a log. So I want to separate it, and then I have my division bar, and I have log of 4. And then I get this to be approximately 2 point, and it says to round to the 4 decimal places, so we'll go 2.12, that actually rounds to a 40, since that 6 pushes up to 9 to a 10, so that pushes that up to 40. All right, and then for b, we use natural log this time, so we know natural log of 2.5 divided by natural log of 7.2. Remember to use the same base for both the numerator and the denominator. So if you use natural log on one on the numerator, then make sure you use that on the denominator as well. Okay, so rounding that to the 4 decimal places, I get 4.2. And then my last one, I did natural log again, so we'll go natural log 9, close your parentheses, divide by natural log of radical 2. And I have 2 parentheses now, because the way my calculator works, and I get 6.3399. So there's my change of base formula. so that I can evaluate anything in a calculator. Any base.